going?
I'm going to go to the bottom of the ramp.
You go to the bottom of the ramp?
Yeah, see where the dirt is?
Hey, oh.
Oh, we got one. You got one too. You probably want to go right up the fucking
No, let's get
here.
two guys right here.
Yeah.
Two guys would be better. There's no fire. What do we got to do? Okay, if we can get to that one.
See the
cover.
Caution tape on that bridge.
Yep.
We got to drop this in the caution tape underneath the yellow ones there. That's the barbed wire.
So if you want to rip it, we'll give you covering fire. I would stay low. At least if you can try to get, God, it feels like there's a bunker right at that road.
There is. There's one right over here. Remember we walked past
it?
it?
But like cover for us.
Oh, God. Go to this black thing.
Shot at?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, they're at our 9. I don't know if we got anybody.
Do you guys see where Blondie is? That's where the...
Hey, go, man.
Crossfire.
Go.
Hey, if you can suppress that window of that bunker, I'll make the suicide run.
That's definitely not 30 rounds a second right there. Lay down, behind me.
Somebody suppress that window and let me know.
Go ahead. Go.
Hey, tank, the bridge is clear down there. The bridge is open down there.
All right. Bridge is parked clear down that way. The bridge is open? Yeah.
Yes, bridge is open. Over. Fuck. Son of a bitch, I just fucking... Oh shit, I'm too old for this garbage. Somebody get a satchel charge! Go get a satchel charge. They're in the little packs with the 4 tape on them. How close can I get to that tank? Is it 20 feet? Oh, shit! God damn it!
Where's it?
I don't know where that came from. Okay, yeah, there's 3. Let's go. He's got the satchel charge. The bridge is down on this side. The tank crossed. They're shooting at us on that bridge, though. Yeah, I see that.
I have no idea where any of our engineers went.
One of them's up here with a satchel charge.
Oh, hey. No, great job, guys.
Is it impassable in there? Nobody wants to go that way, huh?
We need C4 charge to clear the next net.
He's got one. We got a guy. One of our guys has him up front. Yeah.
Where's it?
Where's the tank? Anybody see it?
Just made across the bridge or thought, yeah.
That's our covering fire right there, but...
Yeah, it's pretty clear. You're good. You just need a little past that. You guys got to get a Bangalore in that little area. You can't go past this. Up here?
Who's got the satchel charge? Okay. We're up front here. We should be following that tank, gentlemen, but we're going to get mauled if we do.
Everybody get up and start firing.
Hey, if you're going to make the run with that satchel charge, you tell us, we're going to suppress. Watch your head. There's the satchel charge. Everybody, that window in that fucking bunker. And there is some sporadic fire coming from the right flank, just to the right of the tank. Think 2 o'clock from the tank's position. All right? But we need to suppress that bunker. As soon as we start firing, you got to make the run. Ready? Suppress! No, 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 no! The bridge is already down. It probably went into the water. All right. Get right in front of him, right in front of him. Where is that satchel charge?
They both threw him for some weird reason. You gotta get behind the tank while it's moving up there.
The tank is blocking the bunker. Tell him to stop right in front of the fucking bunker. Block that bunker!
Hey, can you put that thing at that bunker?
Forget about that satchel charge. It's irretrievable. It's in the water.
Is it? Which bunker?
The one right here. But the tank went right past it. We needed him to block the window.
We got one more.
We need the tank to come back and block the fucking building. Yeah.
Alright, we got another satchel charge. We got 2. Right across.
Anybody got contact with the tank? Hey, tank driver, if you're monitoring the Allied channel, I need you to come back and block the bunker. I want you to park right in front of the bunker so they can't shoot out. Okay. Right bridge, the one that you just crossed. Come back and block that bunker. We'll make the run from there. How copy? Over? Tank's coming back. When it does, we're all going to go. Everybody. First person to the satchel charge picks it up and throws it in. It's on the other side of the bridge. Or did you pick up both of them?
I picked up both of them. They're being respawned back in their boat.
Somebody go back and get a satchel charge, please.
Remember, you gotta get the satchel charge.
It's got to be the same guy. Jason, go back and get a satchel charge.
Grabbing them.
That's the bunker. You just passed the bunker. You just passed the bunker. Get in front of it. But hang on, we need a satchel charge. They took them from us. Perfect, perfect. They don't have any anti-armor yet. Perfect, there it is, it's blocked. He's making the run. Who's got the satchel charge? Where is he? Quickly, quickly, quickly. That's perfect. We're just trying to get a satchel charge. The ref took it away from us. We're getting it and coming back. Just sit right there. Come on, get ready, get ready. Everybody goes, everybody goes. Go, 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 go. Suppress it, suppress it, suppress it. Get up there and toss that in that window. You got to toss it in the window. Get in there. Oh, hit. Okay, everybody goes and I'll make the run. But get up there and find cover, guys. Cross the bridge and find cover. Okay, we're coming, we're coming. The tank is covered too, guys. Watch the right side, sporadic fire. Suppress the right side, suppress the right side. Everybody suppress, we're gonna go, we're gonna go. Let's go, everybody go. Is it just us?
Holy up, I see him.
Yeah, I see him too. God damn it. Don't move.
Whoa. Okay, one guy coming out right, one guy coming out right.
Where's the satchel charges? Who could pick him up? The enemy's not allowed to touch him. What happened to the satchel charges?
There's guys in this gray bunker to your left. There's at least 2 guys in the gray bunker to your left.
What happened to the satchel charges? I thought the enemy couldn't pick them up.
No, I picked them up. Was that not deployed? Was that not?
They were deployed. We threw them up here so we could make a second charge.
Yeah, so I picked them up and they just went back to the team.
Hit. Guys, they told us in the rules to drop them if we get hit. So now we got to make another run.
Oh, well that satchel charge did clear up this bunker.
Did it? It cleared. So this bunker's dead.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah,
So
they can still use it for cover.
Yeah, but as far as
not invincible anymore. So you guys pretty much.
so we got to clear the other 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
All right.
yeah.
It's clear, guys. The bunker's clear.
Oh, and just try not to.
Where's the other? He put him right here. I'm gonna get hit fucking trying to pick one up.
I'm all right.
Hey, there shouldn't be anybody in it either. We cleared the personnel. Hey, suppress those fuckers on the left, or the right side, right side. Anybody got the target spotted? Crossing, crossfire, crossfire. Shit.
Yeah, absolutely. I responded to them. Okay. Yeah, I've been running the back of the base. As much as I can, yeah. Oh, so now that this has been killed, there's no last thing. Somebody can still use this for cover, but they're not invincible anymore. Okay. And your rockets can kill them now. Okay. Just as a heads up, you've destroyed that one and this one. Oh. The other 2 are still active. The main bridge has also been destroyed. Now they need to bring a Bangalore to product in order for you guys to get to the final phase. No.
Hey guys,
You see the flag, the black flag?
get a Bangalore up to the tank.
Yeah. Oh, that's what they okay, thank you. As soon as that black flag is down, then we'll take them out of there. So are they somebody coming back to the tank? Yeah, they just got shot. They just got the tag on the ground.